Hello, welcome back to English Mastery Guide. Today, we are going to discover the secret of learning English with your favorite music. Imagine you are sitting in your favorite chair. The world is quiet. You have your headphones on and you press play. Suddenly, the music fills your mind. You do not feel stressed. You do not feel tired. You feel happy. But then you remember your English studies. You think about big books. You think about difficult tests. You think about grammar rules that make your head hurt. Do you feel that weight in your chest? That is language anxiety. It is the fear of making a mistake. It is the feeling that English is a mountain that is too high to climb. I want to tell you a secret. You do not need to climb that mountain today. In fact, you do not need those heavy books right now. Today, we are going to change everything. We are going to use the music you love to learn English. I promise you, if you follow this path, grammar will not feel like a chore anymore. It will feel like a choice. Why? Because of purpose. When you learn for a test, you learn because you have to. When you learn with music, you learn because you want to. This is the key to your mastery journey. Let us begin. Why do we forget English words from a book? It is because our brain is bored. Our brain likes things that are beautiful. Our brain likes things that have rhythm. When you choose a song you love, you are using intrinsic motivation. This is a big name for a simple idea. You do it because it makes you feel good inside. Think about Maria. Maria was a student in a big city. She had to learn English for her job. Every night she studied grammar for 3 hours. She was very sad. She wanted to quit. One day she heard a song by a band she loved. She did not understand the words, but she loved the melody. Maria decided to stop reading her book for 1 week. Instead, she listened to that one song every morning. She looked at the words, she sang along in the shower. After 1 week, Maria knew 50 new words. She knew how to use the past tense because the song was a story about the past. She did not study the past tense, she felt the past tense. But how do you choose the right song? You must find the Goldilocks zone. In a famous story, a girl named Goldilocks finds 3 bowls of soup. 1 bowl is too hot, 1 bowl is too cold, 1 bowl is just right. Learning English is the same. If you choose a song that is too fast, it is too hot. You will feel frustrated. If you choose a song that is too easy, it is too cold. You will feel bored. You must find a song that is just right. You should understand most of the song, but there should be a few words that are a mystery to you. This is where the magic happens. When you solve the mystery of a lyric, your brain gives you a reward. You feel proud. Many students ask me, how can a song teach me grammar? Grammar is just a pattern. Music is also a pattern. When a singer says, "I have been waiting for you," they are using a complex grammar rule. But you do not need to know the name of the rule. You only need to hear the pattern. Think about David. David had a big school presentation. He was very nervous. He was afraid he would use the wrong words. David loved rock music. He found a song where the singer asked many questions. Where are you going? What are you doing? David listened to the song 10 times. He sang the questions. During his presentation, David did not have to think about how to make a question. The rhythm of the song was in his head. The words came out naturally, like a song. David did not study. David practiced autonomy. He chose his own teacher, and his teacher was the music. Why does music work so well? Inside your brain, there is a part that loves repetition. If you read a word in a book one time, your brain often throws it away. But music is different. We listen to our favorite songs many, many times. This is the best way to move a word into your long-term memory. Also, music helps because it lowers your affective filter. This is like a wall in your mind. When you are stressed, the wall goes up. No English can get in. When you listen to music, you relax. The wall goes down. The English language flows into your mind like water. Today, we learned a new way to look at English. You have the power to choose what you hear. You have the path to mastery, and you have a purpose. Remember, learning a language is not a race. It is a journey, and every journey needs a good soundtrack. Here is your small step for today. Go to your music app. Find one song in English that you love. Look up the lyrics of the chorus. Read the words while you listen to the music, one time. That is all, just one song. If you do this, you are no longer just a student. You are a master of your own learning. If you found this video helpful, please join our community. Subscribe to this channel. We are all on this journey together, one song at a time. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. Keep listening, keep singing, and keep growing. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.